A new open source model, Flux.1 Kontext, lets you edit, restyle, and manipulate images with AI, all locally using Promptus. Flux.1 Kontext is open source, developer friendly, and shockingly flexible. So what can you actually do with this? You can restyle and transform images to any style. For example, here we have the Mona Lisa restyled to 1960s pop art with bright colors, bold graphics, and commercial aesthetics.
Wait, did you actually remove the sword from that statue?
Yep, that's Flux Kontext doing object removal. All I did was drop the image into Promptus and prompt it, remove the sword, keep everything else the same. It didn't just delete the object, it actually reconstructed the hand, the cape, the lighting, all in the same visual style. That's what's so powerful here. You're not editing pixels manually, you're editing with context. This is local intelligent image editing, and it runs entirely in Promptus. Remove objects, rebuild scenes, stay in full control. That's the power of Flux. You can add text in any style to your image. For example, add Promptus in crafted style text to the tablet image. You can do photo image restoration with a high degree of accuracy. For example, here we can input a wrinkled, cracked, and faded image, and the output is clear and visually restored. You can remove objects, for example, remove female from this image. It can do multiple input images. For example, we can add Starbucks signage to this building, like if it is a Starbucks coffee shop, and put the couple in the front of the building. Flux is able to mix the input images and create a single, coherent, realistic photograph. This is great for architects and interior designers who want to mock up and visualize physical spaces. It also has a use case for marketers who want to create better product images. It can change light on images from morning to night. For example, it can convert an early morning scene with soft golden sunrise light and gentle morning mist to a golden hour light in the early evening. It can even maintain the same composition and architectural details. Shout out to Promptus, the easiest way to try Flux.1 Kontext. Just open the app or use it in your browser. Drop your image, type your prompt, and flux it. All the images you're seeing, made right in Promptus. You can also change the same object to different views. You can actually change the camera view, like rotating 180 degrees to see a subject from behind, and it rebuilds the scene from that new angle. You can even shift the pose or position of the same object. Another capability of Flux is style reference. Okay, so here's how style reference works. Think of it like this. You give the model two things, a picture that shows the look you want and a text prompt that says what you want. So maybe the style is a watercolor painting and your prompt says a cat riding a bike. Flux takes the visual style from the painting and uses it to generate the cat scene, but in that exact look. It's like telling the AI, make this thing, but make it look like that. Super useful if you want consistency across multiple images or just want to match a vibe. So to recap, with Flux.1 Kontext on Promptus, you can restyle images in any genre, remove or swap objects, rebuild damaged photos, add stylized text, blend multiple inputs, even change the time of day or the camera view. And with style reference, you can match the exact vibe of any visual you want, automatically. All of this runs right in your browser or the Promptus app. No installs, no stress. Try it and comment below which style transfer surprised you and what would you add to Flux Kontext. Want to be featured in one of our videos? Share your generations on your public gallery. Sign up for Promptus for just $5 a month and be a creator today. Promptus, the AI app for creatives.